only way I can test it is to view the video.
Thursday, look at Thursday. Ain't even Thursday, I'm rocking her mix.
No, it's not even moving now. It's gonna start again though. That don't make no sense. This one. You know what's funny though? I changed the wheel bearing on this side. I didn't change it on this side. But it's not making no noise. That's weird. It's crazy. Alright, so right now I'm coming to the conclusion that this rotor is not spinning. It could be the axle, right? Or it could be the bearing itself. I'm gonna double check. I'm gonna take out the brake caliper and see how it spins after that. It could be the brake caliper. It could be a bunch of things. So we're gonna figure it out, diagnose it. That's why I'm hearing this noise, this crank. Every time I shift or turn, I'm pressing the gas, and it could be coming from the transmission on the opposite side of the axle. So stay tuned. This one over, see. So look, this one not moving. All right, listen. Listen. So, after a couple of hours of doing some work on other cars, that one, this one, that one, yeah. Remember, I tested my wheel bearing, and I was gonna change the wheel bearing because I figured like, hey, it's not spinning right. But then when I took off the brake caliper and rotor, it was spinning correct. It was the other side wasn't spinning. I guess since it had a brake caliper on it, it wasn't allowing it to spin freely. Now that I'm putting my brake calipers and everything back onto the car, I realized that one of my pistons, you see right here, is out more than the other. And I'm thinking that this piston might be jammed because it's not coming out. I don't see it coming out, and it's been like this for like possibly 2 hours, maybe an hour. So that might be the cause of my issues right there. So I got another piston in my storage unit. What I'll do is tomorrow morning I'm going to pick it up and replace it. I'm going to give you an update if that was my problem. And there's a lot of gunk in this one. This one's bad. All right, I'm going to clean it though. But here you go, man. Do your own car work, man. So you guys can see obviously what I'm doing. How you put back the brakes. What you do is my brake pads are on. This is an extra brake on top. You put in the C-clamp around, open into the brake, and then pushing in. Nice and slow. Showed you nothing happened. Nice and slow, push it in.
The brake?
So I think one of the pistons not coming up.
No.
No.
No good the caliper.
Yeah, no, I'm gonna change it.
You have a new?
No, I got one in storage already, so I'm gonna change it tomorrow.
Oh.
And if that one's no
You know
good,
what
then
I'm
I'll buy
gonna
it
do?
brand new.
Drop a spray W40.
Yeah.
Open it over here. Mira, right there. I'm gonna pop it too tight. You look at it coming out. Maybe no.
Yeah, it's coming out now.
Now?
Yeah.
On both sides?
Yeah, but not even.
No.
Yeah, but not even.
No.
Yeah.
Okay, he's good.
But it's not even. See, this one stopped. You could have been this one. This one stopped and this one kept on going.
Yeah, that one is more better. And do the same thing like I do over here.
Liquid?
Yeah.
Tomorrow, another one.
Okay, okay.
All right. Figure out the problem though. Right.
Push it inside again.
All right. One of my pistons
Okay.
in the caliber. All right. It's not extending, so it's giving me the vibration and the noise. All right. Change it tomorrow. Shit. I tell you, I save y'all parts, man. Shit crazy. So these are two brake calipers on one slipper. Two brake calipers for my car. I never had a brake caliper issue until yesterday, and one of my brake calipers is not coming out correctly. So one of the pistons. So it's either replace it or repair it. And I told Shorty, I was like, I got both of them in storage. And it's funny, I got a left one and a right one. I'm not sure which one is left and right. I mean, obviously that right side, but which one I'm gonna take out. So, taking both, and that's it. No money spent. This is a $200 part. So, you know. All right, so this is the one that was on the car already. We just removed it, and this was the used one that I had for so long. And difference is really the pistons. This one is not coming out at all. So make sure everything's good. All right, I gotta clip out the other stuff though.
That way make it easy go.
Yeah,
You know?
let it sit for now too.
Yeah. Okay.
To show you the tools you may need, or the tools I need for today's job, right? So I need carb cleaner for the throttle body. I'm gonna test the throttle body's fuses, and then I just did a brake caliper replacement. So obviously the brake caliper grease, the fluid, WD-40 for a fact, C-clamp, and a jack. And then the ratchet set, obviously, need a ratchet set for a fact. But one job done, on to the next one. Throttle body's the next one. I got that screw now,